Nation, y'all already know what it is, man. I don't know where Kang went. Man, we back up in here, man. Again. Kang done woke me up. This motherfucker right here. Him. Woke me up. Talking about working. And there's snow on the ground. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man. Finna knock out one of Kang projects on the 4Runner. Y'all can't see me nowhere, but yeah, about to knock out a project. Be right back. Okay. Alright, Kang, so what is we doing today, brother?
Bro, we getting ready to put these coil springs on here to get this thing so I get that squat out of there.
You can't see it right now because it's going downhill, but
nah, but it's got that squat. Cause look at the front. You look at the front, it's raised up in the front. I gotta get that squat out of there.
He said he don't want to squat, man.
I did it ride rough as hell.
Oh well. Yeah, so Kang got the big jack. We got shocks, we got springs. So man, we finna
Cause right now it's
go
got
work on the 4Runner.
Right
Kang runner.
Right now it's got a cushion up under there and the springs are collapsed.
Uh-oh.
So when I get it up in there, we can look at it and see it.
About to get up under the Kang mobile. Yeah. Hey, I still ain't posted I ain't posted it yet, but I might post it today.
From another week.
Yeah. OG box Chevy Kang. See how this gonna roll. You ain't gonna put no chalks on the front of there?
No.
Shit, no it ain't. The spring out of there. Spring! Taking out springs with Kang. Boy, I can have fun with this name. Kang! With the new springs. Yeah, man. Shock and spring replacement. Can y'all see over there? Hold on, let me see if I can come over there.
You wanna come on this side?
I'm good. Okay. Your head ain't that big. Yeah, it is. Block the camera. Uh-oh. Yeah, it is. Springs out, y'all. Now, Kang said these springs don't have to be compressed, so we finna go right back up with these, John. I ain't got my knife. You caught me slipping. I got a razor blade though. Always read the instructions, y'all. Okay, enough of that. Man, I had so much fun last night, bro. I feel like today's Sunday like a motherfucker. There's no way I was supposed to have that much fun on Friday.
Yeah.
I was on the clock though. Need me to step down on it. Ooh, y'all heard my stomach growling.
Yeah, I heard it growl a little bit.
Gotta be compressed, huh?
Let the jack down a little bit. Let the jack out there. And it gotta be compressed.
Huh?
And you gotta be compressed. Let it down a little bit.
That's it.
Let it down. You need it down all the way. Alright, stop. Alright, move the jack over there.
Yeah, I know. I know where you're going. I'm picking up what you're putting down.
No, with it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, tighten it up. Slide it back a little bit. Lift them up, Alright, then push it over a little bit. Come on, jack up. And you go some more. You need to be, because it's a little pivot out there. I don't want to bend it.
Okay. Hold on, y'all.
Something that's going on. I don't remember. I just don't. I remember talking to it, cuz.
Yeah. Just one side in. I can't come over and put this other side in, man. Pop that thing up in there, man. What you doing there? You gotta do the swipe on this side.
Yeah, take the sway ball.
Ain't no need jacking it up.
Jack it up. You gotta go. The sway ball. It's home. Come on. Come on. Little more. Let me get that fry ball over there. Jack it up some more, get more beat up. A little more. You're almost there. A little more.
It's definitely sitting up higher than what it was. Yeah, I can't see that no way, but it's definitely up higher than what it was. Once you get your whole mechanic shop out of there, it'll probably sit on some more.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it will. I know they was weak.
Ain't together. At Big Beelo's garage. Yeah, I can't see it now. I need to tell them folks where to reach you at, bro, so they can get their work, bro.
IG.
They might say
The
IG.
Kang 88. Reach me on there.
The Kang 88, man, on IG. Y'all ain't holler at Kang, man. Get your work done, man. Say, man, hey, look. When you go on there, don't be talking about no King. This is not King. This is Kang. K-A-N-G. Kang. Be like, Kang? I need my lifters done. I need my shocks and springs done. Don't get on there talking about no King because they're going to ignore you. He's going to ignore you if you come on there talking about some King, okay? Tell you not. But yeah. You ain't got the Carolina squad. Now you got a, let's see, what we gonna call it?
Ain't called nothing, man.
North Memphis squad. You got North Memphis squad.
No, Black Haven squad.
They don't squat down there.
Man, Black Haven squad. I don't know about North Memphis.
Okay, he said Black Haven squad. They don't squat down there though. They don't squat down there. But yeah, man, I'm gonna close this joint out. Another project done, man, at Big Beelo's garage. Guess I'll holler at y'all in the next one, man. So, boy Beelo 25, man. Kang, man. It is what it is.